Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV25. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV25 is barely lasting 5 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue that typically arises from a failing battery. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge due to wear and tear. If left unaddressed, this can lead to a complete failure of your vacuum cleaner, rendering it useless. To resolve this problem, we will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery for your Dyson SV25. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged and turned off to avoid any accidents. Carefully locate the screws on the back of the handle. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, ensuring you place them in a safe spot. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. Take your time here, as forcing it can damage the clips. With the casing removed, you will see the battery compartment. The battery is secured in place, and you'll need to disconnect the cables attached to it. Gently pull the connectors apart, being cautious not to damage any surrounding wires. Now, remove the screws that hold the battery in place using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Remember to take note of how it fits in, as you'll need to replicate this with the new battery. Place the replacement battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. With the battery firmly in place, it's time to put the casing back together. Align it carefully and press it gently until it clicks into place. Lastly, replace the screws on the handle to secure everything tightly. Once you've done this, plug in your Dyson and give it a test run. You should notice a significant improvement in battery life. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly checking the battery's condition and ensuring your vacuum is stored in a cool, dry place. Avoid overcharging the battery, as this can lead to premature wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.